and welcome back to Save Ourselves, or if you're new here then hi, I am Aparna. So this week's topic is about taking a break, and that's what this video is going to be about. Before we dive into the video, I want to put out a disclaimer that by no means am I trying to suggest that a break is absolutely necessary in all the aspects that we'll cover today. I'm just trying to suggest that if you feel the need to take a break from these, it's okay to feel that way and it's okay to take a break for a while. So I hope that my views are not misinterpreted, and to know that these are just my views and you can have your own. So with that in mind, let's move into the video. Before we get started, I want you to know that I have a blog post on my website that covers this entire topic in much more depth. All of the categories we'll talk about are covered in detail, and it also has a lot of answers to different questions regarding taking a break. So if you want, you can check it out. The link is in the description below, and with that, let's get into the video. So before we discuss the categories, it is important to understand what the intention of taking a break is. I feel that taking a break is necessary when we start feeling overwhelmed with that concerned aspect, and we need to get back our healthy association with it. So taking a break is all about taking a pause just enough to rekindle our passion or to rearrange ourselves and put ourselves in a better perspective and a better outlook with that concerned aspect. So with that, let's discuss the 5 categories that it's okay, absolutely okay to take a break from. So the first category is work. Now, as the saying goes, they say that you should choose something as your field that you don't ever need to take a vacation from. Personally, I don't really agree with that a lot because I have not been able to relate with that at all. Because I always feel the need to take a break from my work every once in a while, and it's completely okay to do that. No matter how passionate or how much you are about it, and no matter how much you enjoy it, taking a break can be a healthy way to balance your life and work and put yourselves in a perspective from where you can see the bigger picture and see what all is important to you other than your work as well. And also to reaffirm your healthy relationship with your work so that you don't get burned out very quickly. It is important that you take breaks every once in a while as per your need. So that's what the first category is all about. Now the second category is side hustles or creative projects or hobbies. So the thing about this is that we start these out because we have an interest in them and because it's a creative outlet for us. So feeling the need for a break can make us feel guilty because then we start to doubt our own interest in that. But it's not the case most of the times. It's just that there might be a lot of things on your plate for you to handle, and it's okay to pause for a little while, take a break from it, go do some other things and then come back to it with some rekindled passion. Whenever I take a break from working on Save Ourselves, I always get back with better ideas, and I really miss working on after a few days. So I can get back to it with a reassured passion for it, and that's always healthier. So the third category that we can discuss is about socializing. So this may sound a little weird to some people, but most of the introverts will be able to relate with it. And whether you're an introvert or not, our socializing meters are bound to change. They are not a straight line. They are an up and down graph, and we need to realize that. I have a post on my Instagram that talks about our socializing meters. So it will be linked in the description. You can check that out and follow me on Instagram as well. So the thing about socializing is that we need to accept that our socializing meters are bound to change, and we may need the field to withdraw for a little while, make sense of the feelings we are feeling about the different people in our lives, ensure that our bonds with them are healthy and not getting toxic in any way, and then get back to the people, even our most loved ones. And that's completely okay to feel the need to be in your own space for a while. That's completely okay. So the fourth category is social media. Now social media can be a very effective and entertaining tool when used the right way, but what makes it a little unhealthy for us sometimes is the way we use it and the amount of time we use it for. And sometimes that can bring a lot of negativity in our lives, and that negativity is what we need a break from and not the entire platform as such. So if you want, I have a blog post that's about 10 ways of digital detox without actually deleting your apps on the Platform for Artists website. It will be linked in the description below if you want to check that out. But even apart from that, what you need to understand that it's completely okay to take your form of break from social media every once in a while. Maybe put off your internet for a while, keep your phone away for a while as per your personality and as per your need. and you can resume using it whenever you feel that you are okay to use it again. You have to remember that social media is meant for your use, and it has to serve you and not the other way around. So that's the kind of mindset that can keep our usage in check and just keep our association with all of these categories in a healthier manner. And the last category is working on yourselves. And I know that it can seem a little odd to want to take a break from working on ourselves because it's self-improvement, right? But whenever we are on this path of self-improvement, sometimes we can expect a little too much of ourselves and be a little hard on ourselves than what's necessary. So that can actually make our upward trajectory go downwards a little bit, and that's not the healthiest way to address that, and that's what we don't want either. So in order to keep that trajectory upwards itself, to hold that trajectory onto its path, sometimes it's okay to just pause and get relaxed for a little while, do other things in life, have some fun, and then get back on track with working on yourself. And sometimes even taking a break can be a form of working on ourselves if we try to look at that in that way. So yeah, these are the 5 categories in general that it's completely okay to take a break from, and that's the message I wanted to put forward in this video. I hope that this has inspired you to feel okay about taking a break in all of these categories if you've been thinking about it, but have been feeling guilty or thinking that this is not okay. It is completely okay, trust me. You can try and let me know how you feel in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell when you do. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.